Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and is your go bag ready? Are you looking for a flashlight? Well, this is the one that you need. This GearLight flashlight is nice and compact. It's about the size of a ballpoint pen, and it's also really sturdy. This is a metal flashlight, no plastic. It's not going to crack if you set your bag down too quickly or accidentally sit on it. This is going to hold up to any emergency that you find yourself in. It does come with a carrying case that can attach to your belt loop. It also comes with a wrist strap, so if it slips out of your hand, you're not going to lose it. And it has a really satisfying clicky red button at the bottom. I also really like the zoom in and zoom out feature. You simply apply this feature by pulling the top of the flashlight in and out. And this light is so bright, like, whoa! They're also great for keeping by the door or even keeping it in your car. This really is a great flashlight. The size and weight are perfect. I love that it's metal, it can stand up on its own, and it's got a wrist strap. So many great features, but that's my point of view.